Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn to use Crosshair codes in Valorant. In order to use Crosshair code, first we have to press escape, then go to the Crosshairs tab. In here, you can click the down arrow key or the import profile key to use any code and import it into our profile. For example, I'll take this profile and export it to copy the Crosshair code. Then in import profile, I'll just paste the code. Now click on import. Now you can see a new profile has been created as a duplicate of the one I had selected before. So now I can use this crosshair, and that's how you can use crosshair code. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.